Hi guys, I'm up at the flying field. I'm going to test fly the mini Yo-Yo. It's a little bit of a breeze blowing, but let's get on with it and see how it goes. Cheers. There's a light breeze coming from behind me, which obviously is not desirable, but I think we've waited long enough to see this one. And as 3 of you have kindly purchased the plan, I'd like to get it to the stage where I can say in fact it's a fantastic flyer. We've got Santos Dumont at the controls, right, left, up, down, and throttle. Back into wind. This is the maiden flight. Let's open her up a bit, get some air under it. It's hands off, but I say you can see it's being blown about. Throttling back. It's quite responsive. Hello Santos. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to try a loop. I'm that confident. And full up. Oh, okay. I think I chickened out slightly actually. Let's try that again. Should loop. Right, full throttle. Bit of a dive and up. No, I'm going to chicken out. I just don't feel like it's got the speed to pull around. I'm not going to do that at low altitude. Let's bring her in for a landing. Come on, come on, come on, bit more, bit more. How they covering balloons up. Well, that was okay. That was okay for a maiden flight. So there is a breeze. It's probably only about 3 miles an hour, but that's enough to throw it around a little bit. Plans are available down below in the comments. I'll link to the build video as well, just here at the end. Cheers guys. Wind's changed direction. Not sure what I'll do actually. Just nurse it back over. Closing the throttle to bring it into view, but Right, coming in for a landing. Brilliant. Oop. I hit the camera with the wingtip. Oop. I think the wind is getting up a bit. Let's keep it into wind. There we go. Whoa. There we go, guys. We'll call that a day. That was good fun. Great fun. What a lovely little aeroplane. It's got a pilot, isn't it? And as he was flying the bigger version, I thought he should fly the smaller version as well. Hi guys, Cliff here. I'm up at the flying field and I'm going to test fly the mini what's it? Yoyo. Keep thinking it begins with L. Hi guys, I'm up at the flying field. I'm going to test fly the mini Oh, I've done it again. Yoyo, thanks.